Hey everyone, Joseph with Great for Green. We're going to talk about a really big number today. That's 20%. That's the amount of energy that we have in water. So in California, we're using 20% of our total energy throughout the state to transport water, to clean it, to use it, the whole process. I'm going to break it down for you now. Because this 20% is 3% of the energy it takes to transport the water down to our metropolitan areas, anywhere from moving water from the Delta to Los Angeles, or from the Colorado River to San Diego. We're using a lot of energy just to transport the water. The other 14% is once it's in the city, what it takes us to clean the water and then heat it at our own homes. So that warm shower that you're taking is using a lot of energy and throwing carbon out in the air. The last 3% is once we're done using it, it's a matter of that's how much it costs us as energy to clean it and then throw it out into the ocean. That last 3% we can easily eliminate by diverting most of that water to gray water on our landscape, growing trees, shrubbery, all those items. So back to the 20%. Let's eliminate the 3% and then let's start bringing these down by conserving. So hope that all helps out. Talk to you soon.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a gray water system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.